How to improve as a Python developer. Hey guys, my name is John. So today I'm going to give you some tips how you can improve your skills as a Python developer. The first thing that I will tell you is read the documentation regularly. Yes, I know that most of us, we don't like to read documentation. Even me, I don't like to read documentation, especially nowadays. Okay, there is ChatGPT, a lot of AI that they can use just to get the code or to get something like that. Okay, but see, reading documentation, you learn more things about Python and its library. Trust me, because even most of people that create tutorials about Python or about anything about Python, okay, most of them, they go through documentation, okay, because this from documentation where they learn those things, then they create tutorials also to teach you guys, or better to teach us. So that's why reading documentation is something really very important, and you must, or you need really to start reading documentation. Trust me, is really worth reading documentation. And the second thing that I will advise you to do is solving some coding challenge. I know that is a boring thing to do, is sometimes most of coding challenge is really difficult, but trust me, just keep trying to solve those coding challenge, okay, because coding challenge sometimes also help you improve your knowledge, okay, improving your thinking, how you can solve some specific type of problem, okay, and you learn about a lot of concepts that are really very important in programming world. So that's why solving some coding challenge is something also that you must start if you didn't start yet. So even me also, I'm telling you this thing, I started solving some coding challenge, okay, because I didn't like to solve coding challenge, but now day by day I'm starting realizing that it's really very important things to do, like solving coding challenge, okay. So please start solving some coding challenge, because that thing will really help you improving your thinking when it comes to programming. And the third thing that I will advise you is join Python community. So see, there are a lot of Python community that you can learn a lot of stuff just through those community. Trust me, because it's from Python community also that you'll become to know what's going on in Python world, okay. So that's how you will connect with people that have more knowledge about Python, or that with people that works behind the Python language itself, okay. So that's why it's really worth joining in the Python community. Trust me, okay. So you can see in your region, on your country, or in your anywhere that you are, okay, if there are any Python community that you can join. Because to be honest, most of country nowadays, especially, okay, there is a lot of Python communities that you can join, and trust me, those things are for free. Is not paid, it's really for free. They always have their door open for anyone who wants really to learn or who wants really to join to those community, okay. You just go and join those community. Trust me, you will learn a lot of stuff. Even you will create some collaboration. It's like there is a lot of things that you will learn, that also you can learn, even also that you can share your knowledge in those community. So that's why try to join to Python communities. Even me, I started joining to a lot of Python communities. I'm starting like learn more things about Python that I really didn't know. So that's why it's really worth to join to a Python community. So trust me, try to join into a Python community. The fourth thing that I will tell you is work in collaborative projects, okay, like open source projects, or try to collaborate into someone else's code, because collaborating someone else's code or work in open source projects, that is a really good thing that you can do in your career for you as a Python developer. Not only as a Python developer, even if you study another programming language, it's really good for you to start working in collaborative project or in open source, okay, because from there you will learn a lot of things, okay. It's kind of challenge, I will say, I will not lie, okay, but it's something that really will improve your knowledge, okay, while you're trying to solving some bugs, or I don't know, just sometimes to give you idea what you think about any project or what you can improve in any project. And to be honest, also there are a lot of open projects that you can join in GitHub, okay, on GitHub, and you just start collaborating, okay, try to solve something that, because most of things really very documented, so that you just join, okay, and try to solve any problem or any issue that they will be listing there. So you join, take one, try to solve, then submit. If they accept, they will accept, and they will be very grateful. And also that's how people used to get sometimes opportunities, okay, to join into any company. And also most of companies these days, okay, they like to go to GitHub peoples, they will check, okay, what this guy is doing, okay, like okay, which project this guy is working on, or which project is collaborating, or which open source this guy is trying to help, or something like that. So that's why it's very good, especially nowadays, okay, you as a beginner or as a developer or as an intermediate or advanced developer, something like that, it's very really good for you to try to work in collaborative project or also in open source projects. So it's really worth, you will learn, and also you can share your ideas. Trust me, just work in collaborative project. That is a really good thing that you can do for your career. And the last thing that I will tell you, which is really very important also, is like I will say it's a fun thing to do, okay? try to learn a new Python library every week. Okay, so this is how you will find which Python library that you can use for one your project or for one your side project or any project that you are working on, because we know that in Python world there is a lot of libraries. Okay, like every day there's a new library that will be released, so that's why try to make it like a goal. Okay, now this week I'm going to work in this new library that is out, or in this library that I always plan to use it. So try to learn a new library, okay, every week, so that this way also you'll be like update yourself, your knowledge, so that you will be always knowing what's going on, what's out there, that which thing that you can use to put on your project. Okay, so those are the things that I will tell you. Okay, first thing is try to read documentation of the Python programming language regularly. Okay, try to solve also some coding challenge. Try to join to Python communities, work on collaborative projects or even open source projects. And the last one, which is also very fun thing to do, I will say, try to learn a new library every week. Okay, so never forget, okay, your growth is equal consistency plus curiosity plus projects. So this is how you will grow in your career as a Python developer, not only as a Python developer but as a developer itself. So my name is João. If you like these tips, okay, if liking the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.